Hello, very dark man. Very dark man. Very dark man. How many times I call you? This is the third time. I see what you do. You go and buy one pastor water and started giving people whether they will heal or not. You told a lie, very dark man. So you go and buy pastor water. You go and change the water. You change everything inside. Then you go and give people. You say that the water is not work. If he swear for you, if he swore for you, carry all those people, go to that man's church. Let the man use his hand to give them the water, whether they will not heal, whether they will heal, so that you will see the miracle of God. The time that you give them that water, are you in very dark man? Are you in spirit? You the spirit? You have used the hand of sin to give the person we have problem water. How the person will go heal? How the person go heal? They will never heal. So take all those people. If it's sure for you, if you want to know the reality, take all those people to that man's church. Let the man of God use his own hand to give them the water, whether they will heal, whether they will not heal. So please stop. Very dark man, please stop the grace man of God in the public. I don't like it. Okay? If it's sure for you, if you want to know the reality, take all those people to that man's church. Let the man use the hand of Holy Spirit to give them the water, whether they will heal, whether they will not heal. So that is what you're supposed to do. You don't need to be disgraced, man of God. Okay? God bless you. Do that immediately.